What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Doing it for you here on the YouTube channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, you can even see the differences in the nose holes. Look at that. Which one is Austria? Which one is Hong Kong? Find out next! Or just find out, because I'm going to go ahead and tell you. Alright, so looking at these, I had some Mickey Mouse missing the noses. And I thought I'd put them out here for you so you could see the difference in the holes and where the noses are missing, and the differences in the noses. Now, you have your Austria versions on your right, completely rounded. See that there? Little notch in it. And then here we see the nose that exists on it. See the little nub there? The little molding mark, if you will. That's where it comes off of the tree. Then you look over here. Very different in the nose. See them together? Okay, over here we have our Hong Kong. Hong Kong, that's where it came off the tree, the little nub there on the nose. Now that's very important. But first, let's talk about these. So those are the differences in the faces. And then when you look at the pieces here, when you flip them over on their side, you can see the full cheeks versus partial cheeks. Partial cheeks, always Hong Kong. You get to save money that way. And when you save money by plastic, that means more production and you make more money. And when we look over here at the Austria, better quality plastics as well, compared to the quality of plastic that was on the Hong Kong. But if you look, they do have the full cheeks. They do have the indentation there. Sometimes you'll see the inner sleeve and the plastic hinge through there. There will be a hole. But those are the differences in that. Now, wait a minute. I did talk about this Hong Kong. Sorry about that. I got all excited and stopped recording. Yeah, finger slip there. So, when you look at this with the Hong Kong nose, this is the one that is known as the Hong Kong Popeye pipe. Now, Popeye was made in two different countries, in Austria and Hong Kong. The Hong Kong one is the one with the removable pipe, which will have this particular nose implanted in it. It will not have this nose. Okay, see the differences? This one here that's moving, that's the Austria version. That particular one at the very tip of his nose is where the mold mark is, where it came off of the tree. And if you can't see that, look closer or hit rewind. Come on. Okay, here's the Hong Kong one, right there on the very tip. Like being on top of the mountain. That is the one that should be on a Hong Kong. Wow, this is really getting annoying. Sorry about that. I fat fingered it again. I'm holding the camera a different way. But as I was saying, see this particular Mickey Mouse PEZ dispenser? That is the part that is used for Popeye pipe. With that little nub right there in the end. Not this nose here. More like this one. And also, when you compare the two, the Hong Kong and the Austria, as you can tell, the stem hole where it goes in, the Hong Kong is a lot smaller than the Austria one. So there you go. There's some Mickey Mouse information to drop on you. Now when you go see your Popeye pipe, you'll know whether or not it's a legit Hong Kong or someone fudged an Austrian went on there. So until next time...